Yeah, the thing with these thicker bevels, so I like to thin them out, is that they do take more work when they get thicker like this. Might go the other stone now for longer strokes, but I want to see what the edge is doing. Usually these ones don't take that long to hone up, so I don't know if it's just the way the metal is or what, because I'm getting that grab. Yeah, it could be my angle is too narrow, whatever, too steep. So it's a higher angle instead of lower. That's a possibility. And what I'm doing is I'm concentrating. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm concentrating my pressure in specific areas with my thumb and finger. It's cutting effortlessly, but it's just, I'm not a fan of making that much noise. Because earlier I thought maybe it was a packing peanut. My back is looking pretty good. Okay, so she pressure. No, that will have to see some. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, to tell you the truth, I don't know that I'm a fan of this metal. We'll see how when it shaves, but yeah, it's getting quieter. I'm wash it off. I have a feeling it would be, it'd probably have a really smooth face feel. The way it is on the stone, but it has like a grabby sensation, like it's leaving like clumping metal on the stone, like it's gumming it up. Crazy how this thing is so aggressive with its cutting, and now it's just like, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bit of haziness to it, but it's polishing it up pretty good. Yeah, because I was doing other stuff, and it just felt like I was getting further, but then I'd get sent back, so. But this definitely feels more consistent than it did earlier when I first started on this. It would feel like it would grab in the middle, so I'm sure there was like a high spot in that bevel area. And this is all very minimal pressure, just enough to keep it on the stone. But I'm still systematically getting like almost every single part of the blade on there and just moving slowly down the edge, and then I do cleanup strokes to make it an even grind across the bevel instead of little flat spots all along. So you can see a light swerve, so it's cutting. Now I'm basically just letting the blade just sit on there. I'm just cradling it in my fingers and just directing it now. That didn't sound good. Yeah, I remember seeing those little dots and spots. It's like it's leaving, like catching high spots on the stone. Like a grease pencil leaving pieces of it behind. I wonder if they didn't make very many of these types of metal. Might not have been. It didn't corrode very much, so it did its job that, but the way it's taking an edge is pretty piss poor. Okay. Now it feels like it's just skating across the surface again. I guess not even biting. So now I'm just focusing on specific areas that didn't sound right in the packing peanut test. That sounds better. Okay, I'm gonna switch to another stone, I think. Make sure I got all the slurry from the other stone off there, so we'll listen to it real quick.